Here we go again. Alright, so you hear? Obviously there's a helicopter flying around my neighborhood. There's a obviously that is a police helicopter flying around my neighborhood. I can't exactly get the obviously you can hear it. There it is, police helicopter. Hard to see it because there are some trees. There are some trees in the way. But there it is. And I think the reason is because of that train. Yeah, there's something illegal going on with that that Amtrak train. So there it is. This is an Iceman capturing the footage. Something is illegal going on with that train. And I know it's the police. And it definitely fits what I would describe as terrorism. It fits that description to me. If you look up the word terrorism, it talks about intimidation. And it definitely fits that description. And that's, you see every time they've been doing this it's a daily thing, especially like when I go to Harvey supermarket. But check it out, there it is again. Every day, same thing.